Bitcoin is about to hit $100,000 again and probably more, going to 130, 140. Our season is probably around the corner. Everything is about to go crazy. And in this video, I'm going to reveal to you three altcoins which I think have a potential to go in between 20 to 30x. So stay with me until the end of the video, guys. Sit back, relax, have a glass of wine because it's going to be quite a long video. I'm going to go to you, I'm going to explain to you in details why I think this coin could be doing very well. And of course, guys, if you haven't subscribed, hit the like button, notification on, because we post one video about crypto every single day. So let's go straight away, guys, into BTC, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to reveal to you my three favorite altcoins. BTC right now, guys, is into this situation right like this. You can see that we are pretty much now at this point of resistance. I was saying yesterday to the to all my subscribers that BTC broke this important channel from here. Like it was in this ascending channel from this area over here, and I was saying that right now we are going to have Thanksgiving. In general, during Thanksgiving, Bitcoin tend to go down a little bit. As you can see from here, we had pretty much a break of the structure over here. We pretty much tried to go and climb back up over here. We got rejected. And right now, in order to be bullish again, what we want to see from this chart over here is going to be Bitcoin to be able to break this area over here. And if it's going to be able to break so, then we could be seeing a continuation to the upside and reaching potentially a target of $104 to $105 in the next maybe 1 to 2 months. But of course, if it's not going to be able to break this area, more like short term, what could be happening? We could continue to go down and maybe retouch a level of around I would say $87,000 to $88,000, maybe something like this. Then a corrective movement, and then another impulse to the downside to then, of course, have a big pump to the upside. But what I'm actually very interested, guys, is the fact that, first of all, whenever Bitcoin right now is going up and down, what you can do right now, which is going to be very helpful, you can always take advantage of the volatility with Bitcoin, but also altcoins. You can go longer, you can go shorter, you can buy the dips. But of course, guys, you need to understand how to do that. So if you are interested and if you really want to start to make proper money, come and join our VIP group, guys. You can see the results. I just want to show you what happened in today trading results. Look at Amir printing all this money, 485%, 206%. And look at Yuval as well, guys. This is insane. Look at the results our VIP members are making, guys, because we work together as a team. We have trading calls by myself and also by my other pro members. We do Bitcoin analysis every single day, short term, long term, altcoin analysis, which are really playing up like by the book. And also we have altcoins long term. Today I'm going to reveal to you 3 altcoins, but we have over here on the book, guys, many, many more with all the price prediction for this alt season. So if you haven't done so, guys, come and join the VIP group, the best community of traders, of crypto traders in the world. And trust me, you will not regret it, especially right now the alt season is about to start. So let's go back now into BTC. As you can see from here, guys, we had, pump to here. We could be seeing maybe one more correction, then up again. And then from here, what I could be expecting. Some people are saying that we're going to go up to 120, 130K. And I probably tend to disagree. I probably think we're going to be seeing maybe a pump up to here around 105, 106,000, then a drop down to this area, maybe down again to the low 80s to then have a final pump to the upside, maybe up to 120 to 130 to finish our Bitcoin cycle top. What I'm actually very interested in right now is that when people ask me when is our season going to start, well, it's going to be when we're going to see BTC to go and pretty much do this, to start to lose and go down, maybe down to 82 to $83,000. That's when I believe that our season could be starting. And some of the metrics we will also have a look as well, guys. It's going to be about the Ethereum BTC pair. You can see that, for example, this is the pairing in between BTC and Ethereum, and you can see that right now we are in a sort of a channel. You can see that BTC and Ethereum, they've been going pretty much into this channel since the 2023. It's going down and down and down and down. And what I want to see the real start of our season is going to be Ethereum to be able to pump and break this area over here. And once it's going to be able to break this point over here, then it's going to be the official start of our season. And how is it going to do that? Well, very simple. If Bitcoin is going to go from 105,000 to, let's say, the low 80s, then we could be seeing, of course, Ethereum to go up like crazy, because if Ethereum is going to keep the value, we're going to see this one, to pump like crazy to the upside. So that's what I'm expecting right now. That's what I'm waiting for right now. The other thing, of course, guys, very important, is the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance chart, you can see we are as well into a very interesting breaking point right now. Some people are saying that the alt season has started, that because the Bitcoin dominance is dropping, guys. This is not how the Bitcoin dominance drop for a proper alt season. What do you want to see from here? Is going to be a clear break of this channel over here. So the support of this channel is sitting at around, as you can see from here, I'm going to go and zoom in for you a little bit, is around this area over here at around the 57.5%. Once we're going to be able to break this channel, once the Bitcoin dominance is going to go down here and then do this, a clear breakout. That's where I can see is the commencement of alt season, where every possible altcoins is going to go totally crazy. And of course, what we have to do after is that once alt season has started, we have to have a look at the total free. That's going to be very important to understand the top of this market. And you can see right now, total free, guys, we could be seeing very, very high results. And in general, the way you can calculate it could be to go from this point here to this point over here. And if altcoins are going to perform like I'm expecting to, you can see that we are forming over here what we call a cup and handle, inverted head and shoulder. I don't know how you want to call it, but in general, if this was an inverted head and shoulder, and then what you can do, you can calculate the height of the head compared to the neckline. You can bring it over here and gives you exactly a target around here. So if you're gonna go probably down to this area over here, probably more, I would say, realistic. We could be seeing the altcoin market to pump around the 1.6 to 1.7 trillion dollars. Some people are speculating that it's going to be way, way higher than that. Again, I'm not a moon boy. I'm not here to give you these false pipe dreams that us altcoins are going to go up 50x 60x, apart from the one I'm going to show you today. But at the same time, guys, once you're going to go to this level over here, I urge you to be very, very careful. That's why, guys, in the VIP group, right, that's what we discussed. That's when we know exactly when are we going to get out from this market, because in this area, guys, it's going to be a big danger. You're going to see the RSI, for example, going up to this area is going to screen danger. And don't get me wrong, you could even be going up to, if you want to, even $7 trillion market cap, right? We could be seeing the explosion of crypto in the next 1 to 2 years, right? But at the same time, guys, once you're gonna go to this area, the risk to reward, it's really all about risk and no reward. So I will really urge you to be careful once you're gonna go to that point. Now, let's discuss now the first coin, which I think has a great potential to pump like crazy. Number one, guys, is gonna be Velo. Velo USDT, Velo Labs, all about finance. I think is a great project behind it. They also have like a trading platform where you can buy, you can trade crypto, you can do liquidity pools, mining, and all of that. But what really intrigues me about this project over here, although it seems like it's very cool white paper, is the fact that right now, Velo price, the market capitalization is $130 million. So what we can do to understand the price prediction for Velo, we can go over here. We can go and open the chart in front of you, so I can show you exactly short term and also long term what could be happening from here, guys. We are at 0.017, and the all-time high was at $1.89. Now, do I believe we're gonna go back into all-time high and everybody's gonna be happy and we're gonna be making trillions of dollars? The answer, of course, is no. I don't think we're gonna go back to all-time high. I think that it looks, very, very hard to go back to all-time high. Might happen. I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but might happen. But at the same time, I would like you to be more realistic and see what I have to tell you. Now, the way I'm going to calculate from here, what could be happening with Velo is to utilize our log scale over here on a monthly chart. In general, what I like to see, once I apply a log scale to the chart from here, is a clear breakout of this area over here. You can see that right now. Velo is pretty much in the situation where once it's going to be able to break this area at around 0.025, it could be going up very, very fast because this is like going to be like a multi-month breakout. Since 2020, we're going to have a crazy pump to the upside. And of course, once it's going to be able to break here, then it's going to be very quick to go higher at this level over here. And if I had to give you a price prediction for Velo, what I could be seeing is going to be this one. Utilizing our, of course, Fibonacci retracement. That's a very important mathematical equation for you to understand how much we could pump. So at the moment, Velo is around 0.017. Looking at here, what I would say is that the first thing that comes to my eyes is going to be that Velo could be potentially stopping around this area over here because the chart, right? The chart is not bullish in a sense that it's going to do this, right? You don't see that, doing this like the new altcoins, right? Again, it could happen, but I'm saying that from a technical point of view, I don't want to give you false hopes, but I want to give you more of a realistic one. Is that Velo could be continuing to go higher and reaching around this level at the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement on the monthly chart, which is right now is sitting at 49 cents. So what we can do, we can calculate from here to here. And you can see that even if Velo is going to go and reach this level, you're looking at the 34x from here. 34x. And I'm going to tell you something even more crazy. In general, whenever you have a break of this multi-month structure, you can see that in general, we could be retracing even up to what we call the golden pocket area, which is the 61.8% retracement. So if Velo is going to play up well, like we are expecting to, once you're going to go up to here, we see the market is still pumping like crazy, total free is going insane. What we could be seeing could be maybe a retracement from here, and then one last pump up to this area. So if you're going to pump to that area on a log scale, you're looking at 90x. Okay, so of course, which one is going to be the most um, reliable, the most realistic? Of course, is going to be this. And am I going to wait for Velo to go up to here to sell my Velos? Of course, no. Of course, in the VIP, I'm going to tell people when I'm going to sell because once you're going to be making a 10x, 20x, guys, is not worth the risk. Unless you have $1,000, who cares? But if you're already up like 10x, 15x, no point to wait for this to go up. But looking at the chart looks very good, and that's what we could be seeing. And the reason also why I'm saying that, right, is because Velo has only a market capitalization of $129 million. To go from 100 millions to go to 10 billions, it's feasible. It's not impossible. Of course, it's hard, but if I had to say, to go from $129 million to go to 3 billions, much more realistic. To go to 10 billions is going to be way harder. So I would say that with Velo, realistic price target is going to be probably to here, around 28 to 30x, which in my opinion, it's absolutely amazing. So of course, guys, no financial advice. Don't buy this coin now based on what I said. Do your own diligence, your own study. Remember that everything here is super high risk, so don't bet your house on this. Really, just put like a small amount. I think I put around $10,000 in this one and in the other altcoins. But of course, they do like a 30x. It's gonna be happy days. Anyway, the second one I want to talk about, guys, after Velo is going to be Dimitra. Dimitra is basically like a crypto coin blockchain for farmers. Basically, the white paper discuss about finding the areas of deforestation to improve the performance for agriculture, to connect everybody together. But it's the only AI farming coin right now available on the market. So if this is going to continue to expand, we could be seeing Dimitra to go up like crazy. So the white paper is actually amazing. It's a real world coin, a real world asset in conjunction with AI, and it's going to make things much easier with in the agricultural world, and it looks like a very good project. Again, guys, Dimitra has a market cap of $70 million. $70 million, right? It's nothing in the crypto space. And if it's going to really start to kick in, this one could go way, way higher. But let's have a look now on the charts, what can happen with Dimitra, so you can see what to do. Guys, Dimitra is quite small still, and you can see that you can only buy through Qcoin, Mexi, and other few coins. But what I want to show you from here is that it could be going up very, very well. So right now, I'm going to go on the weekly chart to show you a little bit better about Dimitra so you have a better understanding. Now, let me have a look and use it. Can you see, like, the regular chart is pretty much, down because we was released in 2021. It got totally destroyed. And right now with the, AI narrative, things are started to come back again. So what we could do with Dimitra again, you're going to go here. You can see that we finally broke this area over here, and we're about to break this very important level. So you can take one over here, one over here. If Dimitra is going to be able to break this area again, I think everybody's just waiting for Ethereum to pump and to start the proper alt season. We could be seeing this thing fly off the races. You can see that again, looking at the Fibonacci retracement on a log scale, you can see that even if you're going to go to a 23.6% retracement, you're looking at $2.59. Again, it's completely crazy. So here to here, 22x. If it's going to go to the golden pocket area, 60x from here. So we could be seeing easily, not easily, but we could be seeing potentially a pump up to 60x from here with Dimitra. Again, the same rule applies, guys. I'm not here to give you false expectation to tell you that this is the ultimate truth, that I'm a genius. Although we with the VIP group we made lots of money, but I would say that more realistically, I would probably look at a target around here, around $2, $3, around the 20 to 30x. Once it's gonna go up to this area over here, once it breaks from here, it's gonna go up like this. It's gonna, acquire velocity. I'm gonna start to scale little by little. But again, guys, Dimitra looks a very good project. And what is actually quite interesting, right? That with the first one, it's RWA. This one is a AI mixed real world. And the next one I'm going to show you guys, our third coin for today, is going to be Ronin. Ronin is basically designed for coins. It was founded by the guy from Axie Infinity, the coin that pumped 200x in the last cycles, and this one can help you to pretty much buy and sell NFTs or assets into your gaming coins. I think this is going to go and really grow a lot, and it's going to be a good revelation for this cycle in 2024 and 25. And I'm going to show you straight away the chart of RON USDT. That's the name of the coin, RON. And also not to mention, guys, this is a little bit bigger. Is a 700 million market cap, bigger than Dimitra and Velo, but also looks very promising. Also because it was released in 2023, it's a new coin. Usually new coins tend to perform very, very well. And of course, guys, the other thing I wanted to tell you is that why and how do we know all of this, right? So the reason why we, I guess, know all of this is because we study, because we've been through so much, so many crypto cycles. We know how to trade, how to make money. We know macroeconomics. We know crypto ecosystem fundamentals and all of that. And also because, we've been in the market for a long time. So if you're also interested, right, in analyzing and trading like we do to, in order to make lots of money, what you can do, you can go on my website, Freedom Trading Academy, from here and watch a free masterclass, which I just designed for you, right? And I'm going to teach you how you can make 20+% per month in under 4 hours per week, utilizing my strategy, right? It's a combination of a macro, technical analysis, order flow, and so much more. Just watch the free video, and I'm going to show you how you can really spot these coins, that they can go up a lot, how you can make money going up and down in the market, and so much more. So, going back into Ronin, guys, you can see that right now. I'm going to cancel all of this to show you a little bit better. I mean, the chart talk for himself. Looks like he wants to go higher. And again, looking at how high this could go to, that's going to be different because you can see we actually broke the previous all-time high. And in general, when a coin breaks the previous all-time high, that's we can actually speculate. We could actually go in way, way higher. Look at the RSI, completely bashed, and there is so much room for Ronin to go higher. And what we can see from here is going to be that utilizing our Fibonacci extension, we're going to go from here, utilizing a Fibonacci for the point over here in 2023 to the previous all-time high from here. And you can see that Ronin is giving me a target from here, which is really, it looks so good. It really looks so good that we could be going, up to this area over here. And I wouldn't be surprised if by around March or April, we're going to reach a target in between. I would say around the probably $10 to $17. That's going to be my box from here. Simply because it's a 700 million market cap coin. So to do I would say 10x, 15x wouldn't be impossible. And right now we are at $1.8. So to go from 1.8 to 17 is going to be only a 10x, which would be like a $6 billion coin. So it's definitely not impossible. If it's going to go higher, it's going to go to $100. Well, could be happening, but I don't really care, because once we're going to go to that area, guys, I'm telling you already, I'm going to be out of the market. I've been already into 3 cycles and I know what I'm doing. I'm going to rebuy back when everything is going to crash 99%, because remember that everything is going to crash very soon. Crypto is not going to continue to go higher like this. 2025 would be a very risky year if you don't know what you're doing. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. And again, guys, this is not financial advice. Just do your own research. I'm here just to give you the data to show you, to give you an idea of what could be happening from a statistical point of view. But of course, guys, do your own research. See if you like the white paper. Maybe confront yourself with other traders, investors who are thinking to invest in the same project, or otherwise, if you are an experienced trader, have a look at the technicals. Everything looks amazing. But otherwise, guys, if you want, of course, to get into, our flagship product, VIP group, guys, that's the way to go. You can go on our website. Over here, there is a little trailer over here. There's also like our trading results for the last 8 months, everything documented over here. So if you want to come, link in the description. But otherwise, guys, I really wish you an amazing start. Of course, for our American people, fellows, happy Thanksgiving, happy Black Friday, and also enjoy your weekend. And I'm gonna see you in another video.